I hit Snipe list and my free software lists the item for you. You could do all of this with free software. All you need is an eBay account and an Amazon account. So I'm listing maybe like 10 items in this video with a free Chrome extension, a free piece of software.
And for free, is there like a limit of items you can list within a day or a month?
No, it's free. It's 100% free. I would not list this item because you do not want a bad sell-through rate. If you randomly list items just because you know it's on Amazon and eBay and they don't sell, it would affect your store. All right, what's up, guys? So what we're going to do is show you the laziest way to make money online in 2026. And I'm actually in my bed. So I've been making money online since 2005. Ronnie, you want to introduce yourself really quickly?
Yeah, and my name is Ronnie. I'm a student. I've been making money since like the start of the year.
And Oliver, you want to introduce yourself?
I guess I'm also doing dropshipping since few months now, and I'm actually living in Vietnam doing that as my main job.
Right. So Oliver does full-time eBay dropshipping. Ronnie does dropshipping and makes software to work with other software in dropshipping. And I have a free piece of software that you guys could download at markaugustine.com. And this is what we're going to do. And I'm going to show you guys how it works. And all you guys who are beginners, all you need is an eBay account and an Amazon account with Prime. So what questions do you guys have? So my thing is, if I'm a brand new dude and I have like $100, this is what I'll do. I'll come to Amazon. Tell me a category to choose. One of you guys.
Gardening.
Oh God.
Is in gardening.
Where am I finding gardening?
You can probably click on the all to the search Amazon.
So Ronnie said gardening. Jesus. Gardening. Okay.
Yeah.
So we have gardening. And what in gardening?
I think
Tools.
Goggles. Whatever. It showed up. Right? Don't know why. So first of all, I want to find items that are prime. And I'm not seeing, yeah, these are all prime. Right? So I should order it by bestsellers. Right? These are $10. I search. This is Amazon. I go to eBay. Forget all of this. So I'm searching for the title that I found on Amazon and eBay to see if I find the same thing. So I find the same thing for $23, right? Correct?
yeah.
This guy actually sold one recently. So I could do one of two things. I already know where to find it. And right below this list to eBay is actually the button from my free extension. So go download the free extension. This is the extension here, right? Let me change this. I want to change the ad rate to 5%. And with this specific item, I would sell it. So what is the price? The price is $10.91. That's nuts.
Yeah, and it has been sold. Like it's almost a snipe.
Right. So I'll sell it. I'm a horrible human. So I'm going to sell this for $18.97. I hit Snipe list and my free software lists the item for you. It chooses the condition. It does all the stuff. So that's what it's doing right now. I hope it works because I don't know if it works in this category. Ronnie, something is up.
Yeah, but even for the other software, it's always like that with for that category.
Oh, for
It's not
sunglasses?
for sunglasses and clothing and stuff. I feel like it's always harder.
Okay, so let's try something else.
Let's
Thanks for
do
telling me that.
let's do like gardening kit. Have that, see if it works.
So guys, the software is free. So we'll make it better as it goes along. So garden kit, we want to order by, so I want all prime, right? And the results, how are these ordered? I don't want any sponsored listings. This is our overall pick. So chances are it might be on eBay. So it's $23.
And for free, is there like a limit of items you can list within a day or a month?
No, it's free, it's 100% free. So this
Well,
is the
so
item, right? For 39. So this person didn't sell this item. So I would not list this item. But what I would do, so you're not wasting time. I would not list this item because you do not want a bad sell-through rate. If you randomly list items just because you know it's on Amazon and eBay and they don't sell, it would affect your store. So please understand what you're doing here. So the next step clearly is verifying my Chrome extension. So what was I doing? So I was going to him. This is the name of his store. You guys know what I'm doing?
Yeah. He's
I
getting the
don't.
name and then going to advanced search.
Do you know Oliver?
No, I don't.
So this is how you do it manually. So you go to advanced search, you hit sold items, and then you go down and you put the name of the store
Mm,
and you hit search. Ha! He's a good seller. What is the name of this guy's store? He's a
global
good,
treasure.
huh?
Why you say it's a good seller?
Because there's a way that it stops you from being able to advance search the store.
Mm.
Let me see if this works. It has zero results. So he actually sold nothing. Wow.
Really?
Yeah, that sucks.
Mm.
What? It's crazy.
So he's a bad seller. That's funny. Again, we don't have to lose time. These are all drop shippers, right? So we look at this guy. He has 103, maybe not that good. Let me see, 108. So let's close him. The one that's 183, copy him, go to advanced search. And guys, this is a beginner course. So you could do all of this with free software. All you need is an eBay account and an Amazon account. And there's a link to the free Chrome extension at markaugustine.com in the description. And I'm showing you exactly what to do. Where's it? I know why something. Right. So look, there's 73 items that this guy sold. This one sold on November 30th, right? If we sort them by newly listed or let's say newly listed because they all sold. So this one sold recently. God, that's the problem with these guys. Because of how old these listings are, he mightn't be a dropshipper anymore. So let's not
Mm.
even waste time with him. Let's try this guy. This is the struggle of doing it manual, but I'm showing you guys on YouTube what it takes. Oliver, what do you think?
I can't wait to see one listings and like what I'm thinking. Like, no, I haven't seen that method. Like, I start doing like sniping and substitution with Ecom Sniper, so that's the first time I'm seeing like doing it with eBay,
Ah,
and that's much longer.
Yeah. Yeah, no.
you see, so look, this guy is not even a pure drop shipper, dude. It's a new offer, but let's see. But this is all manual. Why is it not scrolling? So let me close this. Let me see if, do you think these are drop shipped? These
No.
stamps?
No, that look old.
Yeah, most likely not.
But he had listed the garden thing. That's the thing.
Maybe he's doing
Mm.
both.
I'm still stuck on his garden tool set, dude. I refuse to accept defeat. Because this is how I used to make money. Like you don't stop. If you know you're going down the right road, you right, look. So we know this guy has 380 feedback, right? We
But
know this is, do we know this is on Amazon?
Yeah.
Right. So we go to advanced, sold.
But Mark, that's the same dude that you scanned before.
Is it?
Yeah, global treasure
Yeah,
stuff.
global treasure.
You already scanned it and like,
No,
Huh?
look. 116 sold.
what?
I think I think the setting might have been off when you did it the first time.
Well, whatever, but 116 sold. This one was sold December 22nd.
Yeah.
I think so. First of all, I think we should stop selling for a couple days.
Hmm.
So this item sold 60 times. Let me see if it's on Amazon. Is it? What is it? Yep. So
That's
it's on
that's
Amazon for 788, and this idiot sold it 60 times for $14, and I'm not making any of that money. So now I'm going to. So I am going to now use my free Chrome extension and put 12.99 and hit list to eBay. And let's see what happens. So guys, you have absolutely no reason to not dropship on eBay and try and actually make money. And that item sold 60 fucking times, dude. So
yeah.
while it does that, I could now go back here and look at his other items, dude.
And like you can do a lot within one day, like that's powerful.
And
If
if
you
I
choose the
want to be an
right
ass, I could just assume that all the items came from Amazon and not even look for them before I list them. 99 cents, no, no. So I'm listing maybe like 10 items in this video if I find them with a free Chrome extension, a free piece of software by Mark Augustine, helped by Ecom Sniper, helped by Euron, helped by Ronnie, helped by Oliver. So we're here to help you guys make money online, no matter where your budget is, straight up, like no like overhyped stuff. So like the video, subscribe, and check out the free Chrome extension. Let's see if it lists. It's still doing its thing.
That's crazy.
What's crazy?
Like the fact it's listing, you don't lose your time about listing, and you just have to choose the right product. Like, because when I
Look, it's
was doing it,
live. It's
It's
live.
all product substitution now.
It's live. Done.
and when I
Next.
was when I was doing it manually, like I was wasting all my time, like actually making the listing, like and not
Look,
looking for the
this
product.
item sold 3 times, dude. Hold on. Let me find this motherfucker on Amazon. 22.99, right? This is not even rocket science. This is stupid, dude. Is that the same thing? No, it's not.
No,
But I need a green one. Your product description is what usually gets you Amazon. Because I'm a experienced dropshipper. Why is it not the same thing? I can't do it. Where's the green one?
see the two options. Maybe it's out of
Is it
stock.
that
Yeah,
one?
it's probably out of stock.
Yeah. That's why it sell like 2 times.
I don't like to give up. eBay.
Amazon.
You see Amazon?
Yeah. On the right.
Here, right?
Yeah.
That's Amazon Japan.
That's Amazon.com.
It's
It's out of stock.
clearly the green one. Okay. So we got one item. So close that. Next. And it's $12.99. So that's not the same thing. Close. I have to do the work and search for the bloody features or the specifics. You see any Amazon? No, it was the first one. Anyway, let's see. It's six something being sold for how much? Being sold for $12.99. You see, Oliver?
Yeah, I see.
This person has it at out of stock, but it's in stock on Amazon. But anyway, guys, I'm gonna stop sharing my screen. It's late. I need to get to sleep. So the what I wanted to take from this video is that any of you guys that want to make money online in 2026, 2025, you actually have all the tools. Whether you have $0 to $300, you can use the free software. If you have over $300, you should really use Ecom Sniper. I'll put a link to Oliver's video so you can see his actual story. He was down to $300. He spent $100 on Ecom Sniper and is doing it full time. Anything you want to say before we go, Oliver and Ronnie?
Yeah, I would
No.
like to say like actually if you're really motivated with that free tool, like you can actually like start making money soon. Like it's really powerful. Like the way we did it, like if you do like 10, 20s a day like that, you'll get your first sale within 1 week. Like that's crazy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Anything, Ronnie?
No, I don't got nothing to say. I mean, the free tool itself is amazing, and it's gonna
Yeah.
save you a lot of time from manually doing it. But then, like what Mark says, if you do have the money to spend, you should definitely invest into Ecom Sniper or even an agency. Right.
Right.
Yeah.
So if you're someone that's working for, I would say 70 to $100,000 a year, you may or may not want to drop ship because the opportunity cost is high. But then you could get an agency to do it for you. If you're interested in an agency doing it for you, I'll also put a link in the description. So like the video, subscribe. Have a good one, guys.